Aspirants, you are waiting for your UGC NET examination December 20 cycle, which had to be conducted on in the month of May 2021, and which was postponed due to pandemic situation of COVID. Still, you are waiting for your examination date, which NTA has not announced so far. In fact, NTA has got a lot of other examinations also. NTA has to conduct the examination of JEE mains third and fourth attempt. NTA has to conduct the examination of NEET UG 2021. Examination dates of both have been announced. Only your examination date has not been announced so far. In fact, so far as JEE mains is concerned, right from today they have started to conduct the examination. Third attempt has been started. Fourth attempt had to be started from 27th July, in fact, which had been postponed. Actually, I had given my previous date considering all these examinations, because NEET application form also had to be fulfilled, and fourth attempt examination they had announced to conduct from 27th July, in fact. But after appointment of new education ministry education minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, in fact, NTA has rescheduled fourth attempt examination, which is starting from 26th August, and it will continue up to 2nd September. In fact, NTA has already announced NEET UG 2021 examination, and it will be conducted on 12th September. So, and 12th September is Sunday. So, there will not be any other examination on 12th September. Yours also, neither yours nor any JEE exams or any other examination. Only NEET UG will be on 20th September. Anyway, you see, now as far as I think, because NTA has to organize lot of things concerning NEET UG examination, they have increased the examination centers also, and finalize lot of things related to NEET UG 2021, which will take a lot of times of NTA, in fact. So I think they will be free by the end of third week. Rather, I think by 25th of August they will be completely free to notify your examination date also, and so that by 10th of September your examination may be started. That is the probable date as far as I think, and that examination will be also in a deferred way, not only considering that you have got a lot of papers in UGC NET examination, lot of papers are there. That is also one of the reasons for the deferment of the examination, and plus COVID pandemic situation also. So I hope you must be liking my video. So if a new viewer is there, please subscribe it, share it, and like it, so that others also can get benefit of all this, and I also can update you about your examinations dates and other related things very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Best of luck for your exam. Thank you.